today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second signature in Docusign. This process is straightforward and helps you manage multiple signatures effortlessly. Whether you're handling different document types or simply want to expand your signature options, Docusign makes this task simple and efficient. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Docusign website, renowned for its leadership in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once on the main page, log into your Docusign account. Look for the login button, usually at the top right corner, and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, follow the recovery option to reset it. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Docusign homepage where you can access all features. For today's task, we'll focus on adding a second signature. Next, move your cursor to the profile button at the top of the page, often represented by your initials, photo, or an icon. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Manage Profile. This section allows you to personalize and update account settings, including signature management. Within the Manage Profile area, navigate to Signatures. Here, you'll see all your existing signatures. This view is helpful as it gives you a complete overview of the signatures you've previously saved or used. To add a new signature, click the Add Signature button. A new window will appear with several options for creating your signature. You can draw it using a mouse, stylus, or trackpad, upload an image of your signature, or choose a stylish font to create a typed signature. This flexibility ensures your signature meets professional or personal requirements. Once you are satisfied with your new signature, click Save. Your second signature will now appear in your list of signatures, ready to use whenever needed. And that's it. Adding a second signature in Docusign is that simple. Having multiple signatures can streamline document management and give you more versatility in professional dealings. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy signing.